going on, guys? Yeah, this is a
you've arrived at your destination.
A vehicle to a backyard to a swimming pool. Tow truck currently taking it out of here. Some better shot of this thing for you. It's crazy. You have to literally get a tow truck with a crane on it to pick it up from people's backyard. They're doing. Vehicle into someone's backyard, into their swimming pool. Let's get a close-up of this thing. It's crazy. It's crazier and crazier here in Bakersfield, I tell you. It's unbelievable. Expect anything here in Bakersfield. Yeah, apparently this was a somebody tried to foot bail on this, and the PD did apprehend the guy he foot bailed on it. I have to literally call this big crane out here. It's unbelievable. Nowadays, you just never know what to expect here in Bakersfield. I'll tell you, I'm seeing it all. Got a tech unit on scene, we got a motor unit on scene also. Tell by the boots. Yeah, it's just it's really crazy. So they have the vehicle on the ground now. They're looking through it, see if they can possibly find some evidence. I've seen this in the past before, where they go into canal or something out in the boonies, but very rarely you're gonna see this in a residential. This is very, very rare. See if we can get a shot of the actual backyard that he ran into. This tow truck's blocking the way, so. Yeah, I gotta wait for this tow truck to move out of the way before I'm gonna be able to get a shot of the guys. It's not gonna work. It's a big rig right here, man. Big rig. This truck literally landed in their swimming pool. So we will get a shot of it since this tow truck clears the scene, guys. We'll definitely get a shot of it.
Last year, Christmas Eve, I had to give it to Aquaman. Oh, dude, that thing was cool.
Yeah, it's a vehicle into the back, somebody's backyard. took off running on foot. He was apprehended by PD. So now they just recovered the vehicle. Tow standing by to load up on the tow truck and get this thing out of the way. Guess they're saying there were two guys. The people that witnessed this situation, they said it was two guys that took off running. That's what they just said right now. Big rig right there. Go to the side and get a better view of this thing. Get a shot of the swimming pool. Damage some cable equipment over here. Wow. Cable equipment's damaged. And this is the swimming pool this guy landed in. Yeah, landed in these people's swimming pool, folks. I tell you, this gets more and more bizarre every day. I don't say how he was able to do this, but he did it. Another story for Bakersfield, I tell you. But somebody get killed. The swimming pool stopped him. So I don't know if he was intoxicated or what. In their swimming pool, folks. Crazy. All this damage he's got to pay for. It's no joke. Boy's gonna be out some money. Only in Bakersfield, man. This place never surprises me at all. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of the way. These tow truck guys do their thing. Officers going through the vehicle looking for evidence. So hopefully, you know, more than likely there's something in here. So they're going through the vehicle. See what they can find. Crane is looks like he's getting ready to retract everything back in, and he's gonna be taking off. Anyway, you guys got a bird's eye view of where he landed it in these folks' swimming pool, which is, I'm telling you, man, starting to see some weird stuff. Expect anything in Bakersfield. There's a tennis shoe right there. See that white Nike tennis shoe? It's on the sitting right there on the center console. I don't know if he left the shoe, took off with no shoes on or what. But officer diligently going through the vehicle, trying to see if they can gather some type of evidence. The officer has a left, in his left hand he has an orange, like an orange drink, orange juice I should say, right there in his left hand. So. But the female tech officers diligently going to the back seat, trying to see if she can recover something in there. Got BPD's on the scene. And he's trying to do his work. We do have power off of this area, I believe. I might be wrong. But, all right, folks. It's another crazy one. Apparently suspects in custody. Another great job by BPD. Doing an excellent job. BPD on the scene. All kind of trash in that joke. Trashy truck. Got tennis shoes, got grocery bags from Superior Groceries. All kind of stuff on the floorboard. That's crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call this one. Got a cable technician showing up on the scene. But anyway, I'm out of here. And talk to you guys on the next one. You guys take care, stay safe. I'm out. See ya. Peace. Peace.